of doing good. Today I'll show you how you can find WordPress page ID. For example, this is the page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages like about page, home page, sample page, drops, and privacy page. For example, this is the about us page, right? So if you want to this page ID, sometime we need to this page ID. So how can I find it? So if you don't know how can find, then I just show you. You just stay with me, then you can find it. Okay. So this is the pretty easy. So now I show you how you can get page ID. So if you need for page ID, then you just click on edit button. All right, edit button. Okay. Now you just click on address bar. This is the address bar. Okay, and this is the editor. I mean page editor, like about a space. If you want to any content, you can put here. All right. So if you need to page ID, then you just click on address bar. Then you just look at address localhost just WP. This is my main URL. I mean website, local website. Then this is the admin. WP admin means this is the dashboard. Then post dot php about then 20. This page ID 20. Action edit, because now I'm at edit mode. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.